Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have a beautiful song here from Rai X, Your Love. So this one is great, it's kind of more in the artistic spectrum, but great anyway. And I thought it was cool to give you something different here on this channel. So yeah, why not? It's about 4 chords. And the chords will play here with a capo on the 3rd fret. So put your capo here on 3rd. Let's go over the chord first. So we'll start with G. So that will be 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, open B this time, and 3rd E. Mostly we teach 3rd on B when it comes to the G chord, but this time it's open. All right. Next chord will be E minor. That is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. Next chord is B minor, so it's a bar here on the 2nd fret from the A string and down, means 5 strings from the bottom up, and the rest will be 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. And the final chord will be A. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. So it goes in this order through the entire song: G, E minor, B minor, and A. All right. So we will first look at this very simple melody that is connected to these chords. So we're going to look at the notes to each and every chord. So let's start with the G. It goes like this. All right. So it's 2 times here on the 3rd fret E string in the bass. And then you hit the 2nd fret G string and you hammer on to the 4th fret G string. Okay, so like this. And that's it. It's important when you play all these notes that you try your best to let the notes ring out, because that is kind of what you need for this song. It's not very much going on, but the sound, and yeah, you want it to ring out. That's simple as that. So again, 2 times on 3rd fret E string, and then you have this from the 2nd to G to 4th G. All right, let it ring out like that. Then comes the next part connected to the E minor. Sounds like this. So it's just about open strings here. 2 times on the open E string in the bass, and 1 time on the open G. And that's it. Same here. You want the notes to ring out. Okay, that's what gives this effect. Okay. Next is the notes, or notes connected to the B minor. So we have this part. All right. So it's 2 times on the 2nd fret A string, and you hit 1 time on the 3rd fret B string. And that's it. Then we have the final part connected to the A. We have the following notes. All right. So here we have 2 times on the open A string. And then we play the open B string and you hammer on to the 2nd B string. Like that. And that's it. All right. So I'm gonna take you through this: G, E minor, B minor, and A. It sounds like this. And that is 1 round. It will change a little bit here and there, but that is kind of the basic when it comes to this melody. All right, I'm just gonna show you one strumming pattern that will work for this song. It will fit this song later, a bit into the song, because it comes up intention more later into the song. So first you can play this melody and then you go over to this strumming if you want, or just continue with the melody. And beautiful lyrics as well. Yeah, anyway, let's look at the strumming pattern. We have the G as the first chord, so let's look at the strumming with the G. All right, so it will be down, down, up, clap, up, down, up. So down, down, up, clap, up, down, up. That is one round. All right, so down, down, up, clap, up, down, up, down, down, up, clap, up, down, up, down, down, up, clap, up, down, up, and so on. That is how it works. You're gonna play 2 strumming rounds per chord, so 2 G, 2 E minor, 2 B minor, 2 A, in this tempo, and that will be it. So. And so on. So that will pretty much cover this beautiful song from RyX called Your Love. So good luck with this one, guys. A little different here. Try it out and play tuned.